The science of incremental delivery, delivering a fantastic progress report. Are you struggling to keep your stakeholders engaged with your project updates? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of incremental delivery and how to create effective progress reports. Incremental delivery is a project management approach where you complete and deliver small parts of a project step by step. Think of building a house. Instead of waiting months to show a finished product, you provide regular updates on each phase. This keeps your stakeholders informed and confident in the project's progress. By using incremental delivery, you can achieve measurable progress at each stage, gain quick feedback, keep stakeholders aligned, and reduce risks through early issue resolution. Now, what if your stakeholders often interrupt you with questions during updates? This could indicate that your presentation lacks clarity. There are two main reasons this might happen. First, you may not know your audience well. Business stakeholders prioritize the project's benefits, while technical stakeholders often focus on implementation details. Tailor your communication to address the interests of both groups. Second, how you report progress matters. A mediocre update might sound like this. We did a fantastic job this week and completed A, B, C, D. This leads to numerous follow-up questions. In contrast, a great progress report highlights specifics. For example, we moved project completion from 40% to 55%, a 15% increment due to A, B, C, D. This reduces questions. Now, let's explore what makes a fantastic progress report. It should include measurable metrics, a future outlook, and a confidence level. For example, 1. We moved project completion from 40% to 55%, a 15% increment this week due to A, B, C, D. 2. Completing D has set the stage for starting E on time. 3. We're at an 8 out of 10 confidence level for on-time completion. The more quantitative details you provide, like percentages and dollar values, the better your stakeholders will understand progress. In summary, know your audience, highlight benefits, break down larger percentages into smaller increments, and practice forward thinking. These strategies create impactful progress reports. Happy reporting! If you're interested in optimizing your project management approach, consider exploring Target Align's OKR training and software designed to help your business achieve critical milestones. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on effective project management and OKR methodologies. Visit www.targetalign.com. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.